Hello everyone, this is Harry. I am from Henan Lantern Industry Company Limited. Today I want to introduce on laboratory equipment with all of you. Basically today I want to introduce on glass reactor. This call is 2-liter double layer glass reactor. Its jacket layer volume is 0.8 liters and its stirring diameter XL is 0.8 mm. PTFE materials condenser is here, and we also can stirring power is 40 watt. Stirring power is 40 watt, and we also it's equipped with oil bath chiller and vacuum pump. It's basically this 2-liter glass reactor basically used for universities, laboratories, chemical using laboratories and others purposes. And we can now I want to introduce part by part of this 2-liter glass reactors. If I want to say, at first we have to we put the raw materials with this funnel, and then I want to introduce this is the kettles of 2 liters glass reactors, and this is the output valves and output pots, and there have two pockets. This is for oil baths, and another one oil pot have back sides. And this is the flanges, is copper, stainless copper flanges, and this is the constant funnel valve, and it's the condensers, which is a very colorful condensers, and we can equip these two chiller for we can using these two port connected with this. And we have this vacuum gigs. I can see you the vacuum gigs, and we connected with this valve is vacuum pump. Support is pump we want to use this, and we have the materials. This stainless steel 04. There we have the motors. This glass reactor. This is the motors, and this is the speed controllers motors. We have power switch ons, and we how much we need power we have to control by these machines. Now I want to introduce supporting machines. We have so other supporting machines, or not only glass reactor. Not only glass reactor cannot work. If you want to work your laboratory, you need chiller. It's 2-liter chillers. You need to support 5-liter. 2 liters glass reactor. You need to support 5 liters chillers, and others oil bath and vacuum pump. Now I want to tell about our glass reactors. Okay, so as I said, the supporting machines, we have also supporting machine oil bath supporting machines. It's closed lip supporting machine. It's so much little bit expensive, but it's take small places, and it's working. It's very good. So I hope if the customers demand and customer requirement and customers budget was little bit high, so I suggest the close circulating oil bath, suggest this one. And we have this after this selections, we have also after sales service team. We are helping to manage how to manage the all machines in laboratory, how to manage. We are suggesting, and we have online supported videos, and we supported by in call. We have also shipping cost. We have also informed the customers our shipping services. We have 3 methods with shipping: by express, by sea, and by air. So according to the customers, we shipping this cost and inform the customers. And last of all, I want to say, actually this kettle, these reactors is specialized by laboratories we made by us, and globally we services, and reputed, well reputed in our company. So I hope everyone like this product, and confirm your inquiry with us, and we share your quotation and informations all of you. So thank you so much. That's all.